Hello again. I'm here to show you an eBay item that was won in an auction. First of all, I would like to indicate that this went by USPS Ground Advantage from Maryland to New Jersey. And they indicated that this was a hazardous lithium battery included. And they placed the sticker UN 3481. These stickers are pretty much 120 millimeters by 114 millimeters. You're supposed to use the sticker when you have shipment of lithium batteries by air, but not by ground. So we have a box by the manufacturer Uline, and it is 16 by 14 by 4. So what we're going to open up here is we're going to open up a laptop, a pre-owned laptop. So we might have a little bit of difficulty opening this because they have a lot of tape, but we'll do the best we can. Now, in the eBay auctions, you actually are buying things that have to have descriptions, and you have to read all the descriptions. Okay, this is supposed to be a Lenovo Thinkpad T430 2.4 gigahertz Intel Core i3 3100M with 4 gigabyte RAM. No hard disk, no battery. It will look like this. T430. Now, this one has a broken key, and unfortunately, it doesn't turn on when you hit the power button. Something is capped, maybe. Okay. So what we're going to tell you about is this unboxing. Let's see how this seller did. Okay. That's one way of packing it. And then I'll tell you all the information. Okay. Let's see, anything else in here? Nope. Now, one of the reasons I did get this was, of course, I have a T430. This is not the first T430. I actually have another one. So I'll have some spare parts. Okay. Lenovo Thinkpad. It identifies that it's pre-owned. It may have some chips. It has some marks, maybe some dents and scratches. So at the moment, really don't see anything in the corners. It's missing a cover, of course, but that's because it's missing the hard drive. On the description, the gentleman identified that it was tested. Okay. And BIOS came up, and he gave us the model number, which A66. That is exactly what was in there. And then the serial number PB6YXZW. That's good. That's perfect. All right. Okay, it's missing the famous little rubber piece for the little mouse. Actually, right now I'm lost for words actually on the proper name. Okay, so I do have no problem by not having a power supply, as you can see on this model. Okay, no problem. The screen is not damaged. I will be installing an old version of Windows 7 with another dual boot with Windows 10 for some software that I will use. So let's just get a spare part. There you go. We fixed that. All right. Let me unplug it. Let me go ahead and install an emergency drive. Might not be able to put that in there, but it's a little thicker hard drive than usual. Maybe I have a spare battery. Maybe it holds charge. I can't tell. It was an old battery. Maybe maybe that will work as well. So I'll be replacing the Lenovo T430. Okay, I actually have a problem with the hard drive, so I'll be tested out. What I want to tell you is that this bid was $19.99, okay, for the item. Another $8.76 for shipping, plus $1.90 for tax. It only cost me $30.65 for a unit that I actually just needed it to work and turn on. Okay, so it doesn't look like there's any dents. Doesn't look like there's any chips. Pretty much there's not any scratches on it that I can see. Okay. My end result is that this was a good purchase. Now, the gentleman gives a 30-day warranty, but the buyer has to pay to return it. Now, this arrived on the 12th of January, a Friday at 2:35 p.m., and it was shipped on the 10th of January from Maryland at 11:22 a.m. Well, I could actually have picked it up because it said free pickup, but it will take 4 hours and 15 minutes to drive 251 miles, 0.5 along Interstate 95. So I think it's better to just have it shipped. Why kill yourself? But some companies, they make you pay more for shipping. Okay. The battery, of course, the one that I have spare, it's no good, not a problem. So we're good for today. So that's the unboxing of a Lenovo Thinkpad T430. No hard drive, not a problem. No battery, not a problem. No AC charger, not a problem. It's clean. Ready to load the right hard drive and then make sure the operating system is working from the original that we had here. This one, of course, can just be for a couple keys. I pulled out the memory chip So that will give an additional 4 megabytes here. I could upgrade up to the max by getting the right chip, but we'll use the second one that was in the back. There is a memory chip underneath the keyboard, okay? And there's a memory chip, of course, in the rear. For those people that want to work on this, there's the secondary memory chip slot. And then I will show you, after you remove 2 screws from the bottom of the keyboard, and then this little flap is the first memory chip. Okay, that's a 4 gigabyte. So this would mean the same as well until I verify if it was 2 and 2 to make it 4, or was it 4 and 0. So spare parts. But the total price was $30.65. I have a laptop that's working, can run Windows 10, Windows 7 as I want. And that was the unboxing. Gentlemen will get a feedback that it was good. Okay? So it didn't take too long to arrive. It's better that way. Have a good day.